just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Don't got to fear, number one in command. I came just to kill me too many times. They won't figure it, but I don't need a
Substitution, CJ.
After the review, the offensive foul call on loose ball foul call on Scotty Thompson, stay. Therefore, the challenge of Barangay Ginebra is not successful.
Ako, Junisha ko. Si Ting, iahap si Ting. Pagwapo ni Ting. Ting! Ting! Bebe! Bebe! Ting! Ting!
Marshall Lassiter. Timeout, Barangay Ginebra San Miguel.
Una, salamat kami din na walang na-injured sa game na to. And then, yun nga, medyo yung schedule namin pero nakuha pa rin namin pagandaan yung Ginebra, credit din sa Ginebra sa mga ng game. And then, credit sa mga teammates ko, ginawa namin